Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Joe. This is a channel focused on exploring some of the best hiking spots, mainly in Western New York, but really, as I travel across the US, some of the best places in the US. Today, we're in Western New York, hiking Hunter's Creek, and this is a beautiful adventure. Today is about 25 degrees outside right now, and like many of the other trails that I've hiked in Western New York, again, there's snow right outside of Buffalo. It's really an inevitability. There's maybe about 8 inches for your feet to really go, and then maybe about 3 or 4 inches of snow packed everywhere else. But there is snow clung to all of the trees out here, which snowed a little bit last night, and that's probably why, but this one is gorgeous. As I'm walking through this white landscape around me, I can only think that I'm in a video game and I'm about to get ambushed by a pack of wolves or some other predator that, you know, a bear or what have you, that's gonna just come over the horizon at any moment. That's how beautiful it is out here. You know, right when you get out of your car and you come up to the trailhead and you start walking into the thick woods, the first thing you hear is absolutely nothing. It's a bit of a crack and a creak here from the cold wood and all of the trees here, and the occasional, you know, sloshing of the snow that comes off the trees when the wind cuts through. Other than that, it's deafening out here. Mostly what you hear is the crunch of my footsteps on the snow. One of the things that I love about this park so far is that you've got a variety of landscapes to really enjoy. You've got the dense woods around me, you've got the rolling hills that you can walk, and in some areas you actually get to take a little peek of the creek that runs through the bottom of the gorge here. You know, depending on really what you're looking for, with just a nice hike with clearly marked trails, you can also really find a really nice spot where you can have a tranquil reflection or even just a little time to enjoy nature and solitude. This one's really good. This big clearing right here out in the middle of nowhere. I think they have these so that if there's ever a forest fire, that it doesn't jump some of these lines. Either that or it's cleared for utility lines. Sometimes you see power lines that get ran through here, but it's a pretty crazy break right here in the woods. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but the sound of all of this wood cracking around me is one of the coolest things I've ever heard in my life. So random, it almost makes the forest feel like it's alive. It is really, really cool. So that's it for today's hike. I hope you've enjoyed the adventure today. I'll see you again soon. Bye.